6 UGC formats every brand needs. Trends come and go because what was once a trend, when it gets normalized, it's no longer a trend. That's what happened to stage shots with influencers. We want natural. We want to see ourselves in others. We want relatable. So what happens to brands? What do consumers want to see now that actually gets them to buy? Right now, what we've seen is that consumers, you and I, we want to see our family, our friends, people that we see ourselves in vouching for a product. And just like that opened the doors to what's called UGC. But UGC isn't just UGC. There's styles and formats inside of UGC. So much more than that, and here's what you need to know, so take notes. Whether you're a brand looking for what styles of UGC you need, or whether you're a creator thinking about what styles of UGC to offer to those brands. We start off with the first style, which is basically testimonial style. This is the most common, and when you think of UGC, the first thing that probably comes to mind. It's a user recording on a phone saying how their experience was with the product or service that they tried out. I tried this product and here's what happened, here's what I thought, here's what I gained, etc. Number 2, a how-to. This is the style of UGC that not a lot of people think about because most people think that a how-to has to be professionally shot, which is no longer the case. It's so much more interesting to see a natural person going through how to use this product. Maybe how to use this blender in the kitchen, how to use this new tripod that I just got in the mail. So they're doing the setup, they're actually explaining how the product or the service works. Number 3, we have the famous unboxing. Normally you would think just because unboxing in our head is like that perfect white shot background, it doesn't have to be the case. A real unboxing from a good UGC creator taken with multiple angles is something that performs very, very well for lots of brands. And it's a format that a lot more creators need to be offering and brands need to be requesting from their creators. This is probably my favorite, coming in at number 4, and it's using it casually, whether it's the product or the service. We do not want to pitch. We do not want like a how-to, none of that. We just want a casual, what are you using it for? What is it like? What's the service like? Not shop now, go there. No, we're talking about that later on. This is very, very casual. And this is actually the style of content that goes the most viral because it's super, super natural. It's a great one to get in more audience, and then with the different styles, you can convert them. This is a great one to attract. Coming in at number 5, we have educational UGC content. This is content that is very, very needed as well. What is this product and service good for? These are the specs of the product, but caution, not doing it as an ad. We're gonna jump into that one after. This is just educational of how it works, what it's used for. For example, I've created UGC for a belt, right? A belt that you use at the gym. So how does the belt use when you're doing your hip thrust? That's exactly what I shared in that video. And that style of video is super beneficial for the brand because they're a new product bringing something new to the market where new people that work out and they see that, they're like, whoa. I need one of those. Last but not least, you could probably guess, coming in at number 6 is the sales video, a regular ad pitching style. So that's the type that you would normally think about that you see on like a Facebook ad with the click learn more button right there below it. That's just one style. You can run ads with all the other styles as well. And hey, you might even be surprised at the difference in conversions that these style of videos have. But this one is an ad, so it's structured just like an ad normally. Problem, solution, this is what it is. Maybe throw in some scarcity and close it off with that strong call to action telling your audience what to do when they're ready to shop or to try it now. This is an ad and a style that every brand needs to have for that high converting traction that it does bring in. And a little bonus tip for my UGC creators, if you use Copy AI to script out this style of video, it works for all the other styles, but in specific this style, you can get a very juicy, high converting script Just by using the platform, you'll run the script by the brand just to get their approval first. You guys know, I already explained how that works inside the UGC series. You'll get to filming and the brand will have a very high converting ad video just by using Copy AI, which is a great copywriting tool. I want to know in the comments below whether you're a UGC creator or a brand looking for UGC. And as always, I'll see you right back here on this same exact channel next week. Trust me, you want to stay tuned. Bye-bye. To make it happen.